motherfucking building. HPHS. Check it. Check it. Check it. I get numb off a couple lines. Fuck being subtle, study me close and you'll find I'm losing my mind. Cruising to find more bitches talking shit. Still ain't walking shit, dogs ain't biting butt, barking shit. I'm in the darkness, bitch, hell ain't froze over yet. Paint my name in your blood, now you can never forget. It's no sweat, since me and Satan met, and brimstone never gets wet. So place bets, fuck the police, I'm busting shots at the cruiser. It's a revenge of a loser, rap game, fucking bruiser. Pick or choose and make a choice. 19 years, now they hear my fucking voice. Empty AK clips into your Rolls Royce. The blunts and moist, so killers make some noise. I wrote this while nuns were being whores and priests were fucking little boys. My heart turned cold, my soul's been soaked. Dropping bodies off on the side of the road, and hell ain't gonna freeze. Amen to your prayers, bitch, get off your fucking knees, please. And that's how the story goes. Leave you empty and full of bullet holes. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. I'm a disease, I'm sick in the head. You talking to the fucking nightmare, cause Jordan Staples been dead. Enough said, now it's time for you to eat lead. Strangle Lil Wayne out with his fucking own dreads. Killing couples in their fucking own beds. You saying you got issues, I'm fucked up in my own head. I'm a goblin, like Tyler the Creator, and I got the black mask like fucking Darth Vader. Extermination is my determination, call me Terminator. Rip out your spine, then blow your mind. Chop you like cocaine lines, now rewind. Till we sign, motherfucker, we grind. Cannibal like Hannibal, Grammys we dine. Enter the mind of a manic, depressive, aggressive. I'm twisted like transsexual cross dresses. Fuck the pressure, I'll cut your throat and gloat. Playing the Ouija board when the song was wrote. I'll let you swim with the fishes, drop your ass off the boat. Trying to act hard, kid, I'll bury you in my backyard. Pull your car, watch you plummet from a bridge on the motherfucking boulevard. Now check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. What the fuck I tell y'all? I'm the motherfucking wicked nightmare. Hard body hustle squad, we motherfucking taking over this KY rap game like Swagger said before.